How to change signal, turn signal stalk. This is the brand new. There is a part number. First you have to unscrew these two, 1 and 2. After that you can take off this cover from the top. Now you can see how it looks like. There is one connection here that you will have to take out, and there are 2 screws on the side, one and one is below. Next step is to remove these 4 screws from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm using T whatever it is, I think 30. When you are done with that, this cover will fall down. Next step is to remove first one and the second one. These 2. And before you do that, you have to unplug this switch. Be careful with that. Just have to press this pin on the side and it will go down. That's it. As you can see, this one was broken, so that's the reason that I'm changing this one. And the other one. Nice. So this one has been broken. This cap was falling off. So the new one goes at the same spot. It will go like this. You have to return those screws and to return the cover after that. After this, you have to return electrical plug-in. And after that you have to check if everything is working. Nice. Everything looks good. Now we have to return the covers. So I'm done with these 4. Now these 2, and that's it. So one more time, so just make sure that they are even on the side, here and here. Also you have to check both sides. That's it. So after everything is done, just make sure that everything is working. High beams, water, wipers, and signal lights. Everything looks fine. Cover looks good, both sides, and now you can go home. Yeah.